Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power and connection basics are covered. Check the case and AirPods have at least 5% charge and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Once done, clean the metal contacts with a dry, lint-free cloth so charging is reliable. Dust can interrupt power. Now open the case close to your device. Watch for the white setup light and the on-screen pop-up. Tap Connect and follow prompts. This begins the charging and pairing process immediately. Once paired, you focus on powering and configuring the AirPods Pro. Place the case on a lightning cable or a Qi pad. Wired charges faster, wireless is convenient. The case LED indicates status. Amber means less than full, green means charged. Make sure your device is nearby so firmware updates can download automatically. Updates often fix charging bugs. Then go to Settings, Bluetooth AirPods Pro to set noise control, and to check battery percentages in Control Center. To finish, close the case and allow a full top off. Just 5 minutes in the case often provides about 1 hour of listening time. Make sure you store the case in a cool, dry place. Avoid temperatures above 35 degrees C because heat degrades battery life. If charging fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Reset the AirPods by holding the rear setup button for 15 to 20 seconds until the amber light flashes. Then reconnect to your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.